Everybody, welcome to Tech Insider Update.
Next up is Power Automate. If you haven't used Power Automate, you should do it for all sorts of things. There are menial tasks and repetitive tasks that all of us do each and every day. For example, I just created a super cool, I'm loving this flow, by the way, that I just created. When I get a receipt in my email, I can forward it to my plus addressing email, and then it turns my email into a PDF, stores it in a file folder that at the end of the month, it then sends to Cami, who takes care of all of my receipts at the end of the month, or my expense reports. So like Power Automate has a very special place in my heart for taking the crap that I don't like to do and doing it for me. This month, or over the last couple months since our last meeting with everyone, we've released, or not we've, but Microsoft has released a whole bunch of new connectors. My favorite one, though, by far, is the new Power BI Dataflows connector. Why is this cool? Historically, in the Power BI world, when you wanted to refresh a data set and a data flow, you kind of had to time things. So let's say at 8 o'clock, my data flow refreshes, at 8:30, my data set refreshes, and maybe by 8:15 or 8:45, the whole process is done and my data is ready to go. With this new Power BI Dataflows connector, I can say when it's done, refresh my data set. So generally speaking, for clients, it goes from about 45 minutes, maybe average, to half of that, 20 minutes for a full refresh to occur across all of those different areas. So that is pretty sweet.